This 2021 Grand Design Imagine 2400 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 28 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, oven, LP detector, refrigerator, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Grand Design Imagine 2400 BH is 5,956 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.